Section 8.3 is areas of circle. Formula, write it down. Formula for area of a circle is pi r squared. A little different than obviously a circumference, but still the idea of using pi and multiplying it, in this case, times the radius squared. I'll give you a quick example here. 5 is the radius of this circle here, so I would multiply 3.14 times 5 squared. 5 squared is 25. Multiply that by pi. Now we get 78.5, and I've got a label. That little double dash there is called inches, so I would put inches squared. And it has to be squared because we're talking about an area now. Another example, find the area of the circle. Remember, sometimes pi we can use 22 over 7. And in this case, we would say pi r squared. So we would say 22 over 7 pi times 7 squared. Obviously 22 sevenths times 49. I would put that over 1. I would reduce by sevenths and multiply straight across. 22 times 7 is 154. Again, you need to label. That's a 4. It's in centimeters, so I would say centimeters squared. One more example problem for you here. Says find the area of a circle. This time they want you to use 3.14 for pi. Notice the diameter is given. It's already laid out for you. Anytime that situation happens with an area, you have to put it into radius. So divide by 2 would be 13 inches. Pi times 13 squared. 13 squared is 169, and I'm going to multiply that times 3.14. When I do so, I'm going to get 530.66. This is in inches, so I need to label it inches squared. Alright, couple practice problems for you to try here. Find the area of a circle with a radius of 21 feet. Use 22 sevenths for pi. And B, find the area of a circle with a diameter. So you're going to want to find the radius from the 16. Use 3.14 for pi. Again, pi r squared. As long as you're plugging it in and doing it right, you shouldn't have any troubles. Notice the labels, feet here, meters here. Make sure it's squared when you label your answer. Good luck, and we will see you tomorrow.